Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywealth. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As an affiliate marketer over the years, I've tried several methods and means by which I can get traffic to my affiliate platforms so that I can get sales. But many of the methods I've tried, or let me say all, did not give me the results I want. So as a software developer also, I've developed different softwares I've developed several software. So I came up with this software, this affiliate marketing software, which I'll be using for a while now. It has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. So this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is using it on his Clickbank affiliate program as a platform. As you can see, it's really getting good results as you can see on the screen. And if you check my previous video, so you will see proofs of the results which my software has been giving my students and me also. So to get the software today, I just click of the moving train, which are getting sales and getting really good money now on digital platform or your affiliate marketing platform. You can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com or text me through the number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Remember, it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. So join the clique of the smart ones today that use my software to get really good money on the affiliate marketing. And remember, my software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, you can use it on other digital marketing, affiliate marketing platforms. And that's the beauty, one of the beauty of my software. It is very easy to use, and my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software. All my students know that I'm always accessible. You can always contact me to ask questions, and I also manage accounts for my students also. If you need your account to be managed, I manage accounts for my students also. So remember to get the software today and video course to start earning and enjoy the click of smart ones. Contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen.